Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame, working down to the 1 hour. So the daily did break structure. Now, I do see several possibilities here. I mean, it could just be the end of a pullback, and it could just keep on going down very easily. So we will definitely continue to follow structure on the sort of time frames. But there is definitely a chance that this is like an A, and this is one down, three up, one down. Maybe it bounces from the 78% and then continues back up like that to make a more proper pullback. Definitely very, very possible. But like I said, I'm just going to take it one wave at a time. And right now, we are definitely still down on the 1 hour time frame unless we break this structure. If we break this structure right here, I would definitely stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs. But as you can see, I mean, if we were just following along with structure, every single one of these swings is a lower high the whole way down. And we would have just kept on looking for shorts the whole way, which we will continue to look for shorts unless it breaks and holds above that structure. And if it does do that, then we'll wait for a pullback entry and we'll go long at the end of the pullback for either the continuation of the uptrend or possibly just a correction to the whole move down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.